So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the next step, you want to go to Firefox, and now once we're here, in the top right, you want to click on the three lines. And now you want to select settings. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to select privacy and security. And now you want to scroll down and then select clear browsing data. Now once this comes up, you want to set the when to everything, and you want to select cookies and cache. You can unselect everything else if you want to, but make sure that you select both cookies and cache, and then click on clear. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in ipconfig //flush DNS, and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh winsock reset, and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.